It's a 78 350 SL. The car came in and every single panel on the car was rusted. So we replaced every single panel on the car that was rusted. No, actually the only thing that was not rusted was the transmission tunnel or the gearbox tunnel. So we slowly replaced everything on the car. Every single piece to factory standards. There is no rust left on this. This is going to be the nicest 350 SL in all of England. It has to be. The toughest bit is that you cannot buy every panel for the car. So we have to hand make some of the panels to the factory specifications. All these little tweaks and bends, some of them are just, you know, it needs to be done right. So it does take a lot of time. What's next is Chris is going to epoxy the whole car. Then he's going to go by and seam seal every single seam on the vehicle so that this doesn't happen again. And then very minor body work.